Welcome, everyone. We will be creating the design of the daily journal entries and accounting system in multiple parts. The program will be designed in separate parts, with each part lasting from 2 to 3 minutes. Yes, the time is short, but it will definitely be beneficial. We will now prepare a completely blank Microsoft Access. Here, we will create a version sequence for the file so that after each step or completion, we take a new version to preserve the previous one. Now we will design the login screen, which is a form, not a table or report. The login form will appear first when the program starts. Here, we adjust the form size and add two buttons, Login and Exit. As mentioned, this will be the first thing the user sees when opening the program. We will set the positions of the two buttons, one for logging into the program and the other for exiting completely from Access. We have defined the purpose of each button by name only, but we will not enter the macro or write the code for them yet. Nevertheless, we will save this form with the name Form 1. After saving the form, we set it as the main form so that it appears when the program is opened. From File, then Options, we select the second option and set Form 1 as the main form. Thus, Form 1 is now set to appear automatically as the main screen when the program is opened. We will also remove the record navigation controls, as this form will not hold any records. It will only contain buttons for navigation. Don't forget to subscribe to follow the rest of the series.